I'm a nonprofit, an
Hmm.
educational nonprofit that provides education on cultural and environmental aspects of the Hawaiian Islands in particular. I worked so far with educational organizations, local schools, basically. What I've done most recently with your product, I also teach an in-person course at the local university, but
Hmm.
I had to go away for a week. So I recorded my lectures using Webinar Ninja, and then they were able to watch the replay, and I'll be doing that again. I began this during COVID, so everything was virtual at the time. But the fact that this is an archipelago, so there's different people on different islands, having a virtual platform makes it much easier to reach other audiences than those that are just available locally. I
Got it.
selected Webinar Ninja after reading reviews of different options, and I
Hmm.
liked the sound of it. I particularly liked the strong customer support aspect of it. I looked at 3 platforms. People seem to be more enthusiastic about Webinar Ninja than about the other platforms, and the language that you guys used sounded, frankly, more cool. I'm dealing with more engaged human beings and not sort of office people who don't have any faces and don't care. And that has definitely been my experience in terms of customer support. It's been very engaging, very helpful, very personal. You've got some pretty sophisticated tools for creating registration page, thank you page, so forth and so on. One is able to create one's own templates
Hmm.
for those, your own background, you can modify it, put the title in, so forth. Your diagnostic tool has been very useful for me in terms of seeing who registers, who actually watches, how long they watched, and so forth. That's been very, very useful. I'm very happy with it, not interested in looking for a different product. I
Wow.
continue to be a satisfied customer.